Yeah, okay. So, current. What is current and electricity? So, current equal I equal Q upon T, Coulomb upon time. So, electric current is defined as a stream of charged particles moving through an electric conductor, or it is the flow rate of electric charge through a conductor or conducting medium with respect to time. This is represented by A ampere. So, आवेश प्रवाह की दर को क्या कहते हैं? धारा. Mathematically, the flow rate of electric charge with respect to time can be expressed as plus V, it means higher potential to lower potential, minus V, it means पोटेंशियल टू हायर पोटेंशियल. आई को किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? इट मीन्स करंट को कुलाम अपॉन टी टाइम. आई इक्वल डी क्यू अपॉन डी टी, चेंज ऑफ पोटेंशियल. सो electric potential at point in an electric field is defined as the amount of work to be done to bring a unit positive electric charge from infinity to that point. Volt equal joules upon coulomb. What is the Fleming right hand rules? Let's understand. So this rule is states hold out the right hand with the first finger, second finger and thumb at the right angle to each other. If forefinger represent the direction of the line of force, the thumb points in the direction of motion or applied force, then second finger points in the direction of the induced current. Here phi equal magnetic flux, where d upon d will be given, it means rate of change. So here the thumb points the applied motion or force, then second finger points the magnetic field, the direction of the magnetic field, and forefinger represents the electromagnetic force. So this law states in effect that electromagnetically induced current always flow in such direction that the action of the magnetic field set up by its tend to oppose the very cause which produce it. EMF. Induced EMF can be either dynamically EMF and statically EMF transform. डायनेमिकली EMF होता है जनरेटर के अंदर और स्टैटिकली EMF होता है ट्रांसफार्मर के अंदर. सो इन द फर्स्ट केस यूजुअली द फील्ड इज स्टेशनरी एंड कंडक्टर कट अक्रॉस इट, बट in the second case usually the conductor coils remain stationary and flux linked with it changes by simply increasing or decreasing the current producing in the flux. So now statical EMF can be two types. First type self induced EMF and second is mutually induced EMF. Now let's understand self induced EMF and mutually induced EMF or self induction. So self induction is the property of the current carrying coil that resists or opposes the change of current flowing through it. This occurs mainly due to the self induced EMF produced in the coil itself. Now watch mutual induction. Current in one coil induces an EMF in the other. The phenomenon is called mutual induction. The strength of EMF induced depends on the mutual inductance of the pair of the coils. The SI unit of mutual induction is Henry, the same as that of self induction. सेल्फ इंडक्शन EMF और म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन EMF की जो SI यूनिट है वो हेनरी है. AC in frequency, it means alternating current. DC non frequency, it means directing current. So डायरेक्ट करंट या डायरेक्टिंग करंट जो कि नॉन फ्रिक्वेंसी में होता है. सो चार्ज, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैटर that cause it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. So resistance is a measure of the opposition to current flow in an electric circuit. Resistance is measured in ohms, symbolized by the Greek letter omega. Ohms are named after George Simon Ohm, 1784 से 1854, a German physicist who studied the relationship between voltage, current and resistance. So now let's understand what's the Ohm's law? So Ohm's law formula used to calculate relationship between voltage, current and resistance in an electric circuit. Meaning, what is the meaning of V equal IR? So electric current is directly proportional to the voltage and the inversely proportional to the resistance. The George Simon Ohm will be given that formula V equal IR. In the other words, the Ohm's law, a law in electricity that states that the current in a circuit is equal to the potential difference divided by the resistance of the circuit. If I is the current flowing through a conductor of resistance R across which a potential difference V is applied, then according to Ohm's law, I equal V upon R, where V is in volts, R is in ohms, and I is in ampere.